To split the check, you will start by touching the circle icon next to the total at the bottom of your check. This will bring you to a split screen and give you a few different options of how you would like to split the check. We can start off by splitting evenly. You will be asked how many checks you would like to split into. For this instance, we'll choose 4. And then OK. The check will then be split into 4 even checks. To merge them back together, we can choose Merge on the bottom menu, and the check will be put back to 1. Another option is to split by position. This will split off by the positions that we gave each item when placing the order. It will also split the shared items evenly across. Again, we can merge these checks back together and split off the check by particular items. To do this, we'll touch on the check, choose the item that we would like to split off, and then choose that circle icon on the left corner of your check. We're going to decide if we want to evenly split those or put them into a new check. And those items have now been brought over into their own check. If we close out of this screen, we'll see that we now have 1 check, 2 checks, based upon the items that we chose to split off. These checks can now be closed out separately.